This is the problem. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 63. What are the three numbers? This is the solution. Let x equals the first number. X plus 1 the second number. X plus 2 the third number. So the mathematical equation is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 63. 3x equals 63 minus 3. 3x equals 60. Solve for x equals 60 divided by 3 equals 20. X plus 1 equals 20 plus 1 equals 21. X plus 2 equals 20 plus 2 equals 22. Therefore, 20, 21, and 22 are the three numbers. This is now the final answer.